become future stars. Chapter 6. WordPad. WordPad is a program in Microsoft Windows. You can use it to create and edit simple documents like letters, notes, and posters. It is easier to use than other word processors, but it still lets you perform many tasks. Create, open and save documents, format documents, that is, change the size and style of print, the look of a page, etc. Add dates, pictures and links to our documents. View a document. Change page margins. InfoSol. WordPad was made by Microsoft a long time ago, in 1995. It came with Windows 95. Features of WordPad. WordPad is easy to use for doing simple tasks. It is made for creating and editing documents. It helps in formatting the documents, which means you can add graphics and different text styles. It is also a text editor that comes with the Windows operating system. It helps in saving the text with the basic formatting like fonts, styles, sizes, etc. Pictures and other graphic options can also be added to the text. It includes formatting options like italic, bold, and underline. It also helps in creating lists using bullet points. You can also print your document from WordPad. You can use WordPad to open a plain text document and make it look better with formatting tools. Starting WordPad. Let's start the WordPad. 1. Click on the Start button. 2. Click on All apps. 3. Scroll down the list of apps and click the WordPad icon. You can also type in search bar. The name WordPad will appear with a logo. 4. The WordPad window will open on the screen. Screen elements of WordPad. Let's learn about the screen elements of WordPad. Title bar. This is the topmost part of WordPad. It shows the name of your document. Quick tips. You can also use the title bar to identify the program you have opened. This is because the name of the program usually appears there. Quick Access Toolbar. The Quick Access Toolbar is located to the right of the toolbar. It gives you quick access to commonly used commands like save, undo, and redo. You can click the drop-down arrow next to the toolbar to access more commands. Control buttons. On the right-hand side of the title bar, there are 3 important control buttons. These buttons help you minimize, maximize, restore, or close buttons. File menu. It displays commands and options such as save, save as, print, etc. in drop-down menu. Ribbon. The ribbon has tabs like Home and View. It helps you find different tools and features. Document area. This is where you type your document. It is like a blank piece of paper. Status bar. This is at the bottom of WordPad. It shows you what's happening with your document. Entering text in WordPad. Let's learn to enter the text in the WordPad. 1. When you open WordPad, you will see a blinking cursor. This is where you start typing. As you type, the cursor will move to the right. 2. To change the font style, go to the font group and click on the down arrow next to font family. A list of different fonts will appear. 3. Select the desired font style. 4. You can also change the font size and color in a similar way. 5. Now, start typing in the document area. Making text bold, italic and underline. Being able to change the style of the font can make your document more interesting. Different styles of text such as bold or italics can make text stand out. Underlining can be useful for headings. Let's learn to make text bold, italic and underline. 1. Select the text you want to change the formatting. 2. To make the selected text bold, click on the B in the formatting ribbon at the top of the document. 3. To make your text italic, click on the I in the formatting ribbon at the top. 4. To underline your text, click on the U in the formatting ribbon at the top. The text is changed now as per your action. Using alignment. Alignment means how the text is placed on the page. There are 4 main types of alignment. Left aligned text. The text starts from the left side of the page. Right aligned text. The text starts from the right side of the page. Centered text. The text is placed in the middle of the page. Justified text. The text is spread out to touch both left and right sides of the page. Let's learn to align the text. 1. Bring your cursor to the paragraph that you want to align. 2. Then click on the left align, right align, centered or justified buttons. The text will be aligned. Printing the document. To print a document, we need to connect our computer to a printer. Let's learn to print a document. 1. Click on the File menu in the top left-hand corner of your document. 2. Then, click on Print. A new window will open. 3. Choose how many copies you want to print. Saving the document. You can save a document at any time while typing it. Saving often is a good idea. If your computer crashes, you won't lose your work. Let's learn to save the document. 1. Click the File menu in the top left-hand corner of the screen. 2. From the menu, select Save. A small window will open. At the top and on the left side you will see a list of folders. It shows the place where your document will be saved. 3. Type the name of your document in the file name box. 4. Click on the Save button. Your document will now have a name. This name will be shown at the top of the WordPad window. InfoSol. If this is the first time you are saving a new WordPad document, WordPad will display the Save As window. However, if you have already saved the file before, clicking on Save will save the latest changes. The file can be saved in .txt and .rtf, rich text formats. Closing WordPad. After finishing your work in WordPad, you should save your work and then close the WordPad program. There are 2 methods to close the WordPad program. Method 1, by clicking the Close button from the top right-hand side of the WordPad window. Method 2, by clicking the Exit option from the WordPad file menu. Reboot. WordPad is used to create, open and save documents. You can use WordPad to open an unformatted text document. Different styles of text such as bold or italic can make text stand out. Alignment means how the text is placed on the page. You can save a document at any time while typing it. Words roster. Formatting, changing the look of the text to make it attractive. Alignment, text flow related to the rest of the page. Like, share, and subscribe.